Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to set up your remote desktop connection on Windows 11 or 10. So this is the latest video. So watch this video carefully till end so that you can set up the remote desktop easily on your computer. So Windows 11, this is my source machine from where I want to take the remote desktop connection. And for example, this is the virtual machine and I want to take the remote of this machine. So this is my Windows 11 and this is also my Windows 11, but I'm going to show you how to set up the remote desktop connection. This is my remote, the source machine, and this is my destination machine. So in the destination machine, you need to enable some settings here. Open simply run command. You can press Windows plus R button or simply type there run on the destination machine and type there sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl and press the OK key. And once you press here the OK key, you also need to make sure that your remote machine is also in a same network. Your host machine and remote machine should be on the same network. If it is your home network, Wi-Fi network, by default those will be the same network. Go to remote here, allow remote access to connect this to make sure it is tick. It is already tick by default, but in your system this should be like this, showing up like this. So what you need to do is you need to click on this option, allow remote connection to this computer. Tick this box, and if it is tick like this, you need to untick this as well. Apply the settings, and now once you apply the settings, you need to have the IP address of destination machine. Open CMD simply, and you need to type here ipconfig. And once you type ipconfig, you can have its IP address here. So this is the IP address of this machine. Okay, so this is 1.5 and username you can see here. Dell is username, and also you can see the command prompt. Dell should be showing up here, but I rename it, that is why it is showing admin. But Dell should be your username, and you should have the password for this machine. Make sure you set up the password. Without the password you cannot able to access the remote desktop. Now let's start. This is my remote machine and this is my host machine. On the host machine you can open the command prompt as well and see the IP address, same IP address. The RAM is changed. 1.4 is this machine and 1.5 is this machine. So both the machine are in the same network. So let me show you how to take a remote desktop now. It's very simple. On the search you need to type a remote desktop. Simply open this app and you need to type here the IP address of this destination machine. It's 192.168.1.5. I have already typed that 192.168.1.5 and you need to click on connect. And once you connect, let me delete the old username and password so that we can start from scratch. Okay, so no worry, you need to, let's just click on connect here, and once you see the connect option, you should be showing up this top up like this. Since I have already taken that machine, so you need to type here the remote username and password. This is the remote and its username is Dell, and password you should have that password Dell, and type here the remote password. the destination password, and you can tick this box, allow remember me, or you can leave it as blank and click on OK. And once you click on OK, now you can see we have successfully taken the remote of this machine. This is the virtual machine, and you can see here we have successfully taken the remote desktop of this machine. If you want to pin this remote desktop here, you can click on this option and you can pin it, and it will be as it is on your desktop whenever you click it. But if you want to hide this bar as well, you can click on this option, unpin the taskbar, and now when you click you can see it has gone now. So it's very easy, but if you are facing any kind of issues while doing this, you should able to take the remote desktop easily like I have done front of you. But if you are facing any kind of issues with that, press Windows plus R again and type there firewall.cpl and hit the OK key. This should be by default enable on your Windows, but you can check that. Then you need to click on this option, advanced settings. Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. You can click on this option, not the advanced one. This is the inbound rule, and once you click on app, make sure remote desktop it take care. You can see it is already ticked by default, but if it is not ticked, you may not able to take the remote machine. So make sure it is in a enable list and it is tick. So this is very easy, and I hope you should able to take the remote of the machine. And from the host machine, this is the host machine, you should have the pro version to take another machine session. If you are using both the home version on your desktop, you are not able to take the host to remote. So make sure in the host machine you should have the pro version installed on your Windows. Press Windows plus R and type here WinVer, and you need to see this option, Windows 11 Pro operating system I have. You need to make sure that you should have the same machine, Windows 11 Pro. Thereafter you should able to take the destination machine remote like this. So I hope this guide helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. If you have any concern or doubt, just comment me, I will try to reply you. So thank you, thanks for watching.